Hey there. Everybody knows or should know that when you buy a home, you get a home inspection. No news there, right? Okay, now let's say you got a home inspection. No home is perfect. Yes, they're going to find something. They found something, but it needs to be repaired. Now what? Now what? Okay, there's a couple options that you can do, right? You have one, you can walk away, but let's just say it's not that bad. You can ask the seller to do the repairs, or you can ask for some funds to do the repairs yourself. So those are the normal next steps. Okay. So again, it's Sean Calhoun with Pretty Home Realty. When you get a home inspection, now what? They found something. Don't panic. There's something to do with every home. Hey, if you're getting value from this, give me a thumbs up. All right. And make sure you subscribe. All right. I'll see you on the next one. I'm Sean Calhoun with PrettyHomeRealty.com.